When the lights are out, my heart is your home. When the stars are crashing, your heart is my own. And it goes on and on and on. Love goes on and on and on. Oh yeah. When the lights are out, my heart is...
Welcome to the future of muscle-inspired SUVs. This is the 2026 Dodge Durango SLT. Rugged, refined, and ready for anything, the SLT trim blends everyday utility with that unmistakable Dodge attitude. Transition A warm, informative. Under the hood, the Durango SLT offers a 3.6-liter Pentastar V6, delivering a solid 290 horsepower, perfect for daily driving, towing, or weekend getaway. And if you need more power, step up to the available 5.7-liter HEMI V8 for raw American muscle. Interior focus: comfortable, modern. Step inside, and you're greeted with room for 7, premium cloth seating, and the modern infotainment system powered by Uconnect 5 on a crisp touchscreen. It's got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice control, everything you need at your fingertips. Safety, practicality, a reliable tone. With advanced driver assist features like adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and lane departure warning, the 2026 Durango SLT makes safety a top priority, without compromising performance. Closing A bold and catchy. So whether you're cruising the city, hauling the family, or hitting the open road, the 2026 Dodge Durango SLT is built to conquer it all, with muscle, style, and confidence. Dodge doesn't do ordinary. Neither should you. This is the Durango A redefined.